Peace and love to everybody. Hey Tom. Today we're going to join One Broken Biker, charity group that helps injured riders. We're going to join them on their first annual poker run. To the right is the map we're going to take, and the left is the list of the stops that we will be stopping at for the poker cards. The ride starts at Barnes Harley Davidson, where we register and sign waivers and have all kinds of fun. We had a pretty good turnout for our first poker run. I believe we had 75 bikes or more. To the left is the registration table there. To the right is our membership booth. This section of the ride on Stave Dam is just after the Hayward Lake stop. This camera isn't mounted on Don's bike. The only problem with leading a poker run is you don't get to see a long line of bikes in front of you on the video like usual. We are on Frog Road, and it will become apparent in a couple of minutes why it's called Frog Road. This road was made for motorcycles. Lots of nice twisty hills. On the road, there's a frog. Look on the road again, another frog. Apparently the graduating classes paint a frog on the road every year. Even though it is Stave Lake Road, it's commonly known as Frog Road. Next stop on the poker run, DeRoche, where we pick another poker card. riding through the town of Agassiz onto our next stop at the Agassiz Esso to draw another poker card. And our last stop and our last poker card draw, Duke's Pub in Chilliwack. Ooh, see that Fast Johnny Harley there? One broken biker, we're giving that away for free. We're giving away that Fast Johnny Harley Davidson and that Ducati to the right there. Both of them for free. I will attach a link for One Broken Biker in the description of this video for you. We broke the ride up into small groups instead of one big giant group. So here's a bunch of groups just arriving at Duke's at the end of the poker run. Here comes Dawn with the Canadian flag on her bike. Dawn is the president of the BC chapter of One Broken Biker. Put a lot of time and effort into this poker run. That's my One Broken Biker first annual poker run video. I hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, R. Sampson. Goodbye, everybody.